After reading and analyzing the given documents for capstone number 5, I chose to do my assignment on hypoxia. According to our readings, hypoxia is basically when there is an excess in nutrient material in waters, causing there to be a shortage of oxygen, further causing the depletion of native organisms. For this assignment, I chose to further analyze the waters off of the Caribbean coast of Mexico, specifically near Quintana Roo, Mexico. The threat to this area of Mexico is an invasive brown tide, which is actually a floating sea plant called sargassum. This plant floats in large, dense units, constantly reproducing while keeping the unit intact. According to the cited article, this sargassum mass in Mexico may be due to the low levels of oxygen in the water already, combined with high levels of ammonia and hydrogen sulfide, which also work together to endanger native organisms. Pertaining to the future of this area of Mexico's coast's healthiness, this constantly growing vegetation mass will continue to grow and further deplete native organisms. When the parts of this mass die off, their decomposition remnants can cause respiratory illness in humans, and they can dissolve in the water, killing off sea life. According to scientists, this sea mass could become the new norm in our oceans, and even if large amounts of the sargassum are taken from the oceans, it is still very possible that they can grow back. The article also states that the best way to combat the growing sea masses is to recognize the most optimal times that the plant likes to grow in. But as of right now, constant maintenance of the sargassum seems to be the best option until more research can be verified and published.